guys, and welcome to how to tutorial of PHP MyAdmin database. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to create a table and a database in PHP MyAdmin. First of all, you need to install a server software for your machine so that it can act as a local server. I've installed XAMPP. Okay, now we have to wait for the services to start: MySQL database service and Apache service. These services are used for web hosting and for different purposes. Okay, now we have to go to open your browser, go to localhost. Okay, this is your server main page. Okay, from here we go to PHP MyAdmin for database. You can see that over here you see the different databases that I have already created. This is my main view of the PHP MyAdmin. Okay, for creating new database you have to click here on new. Now give your database any name, for example school underscore data. Now click on create. Alright, your database has been created. It is now, you can see it over here that school underscore data has been created. Okay, now click on it. If you want to create some tables, click here, name the table. For example, I will name it as students rows. Now you have to count the rows. How many data rows do you want in your table? For example, I want an ID for the student, a name for the student, a registration number for the student, and a contact number for the student, and another thing, that's his marks. Okay, so how many are there? 1 for ID, 2 for name, 3 for registration number, 4 for contact number, and 5 for that marks. Okay, now click on go. Okay, here are the 5 fields that you can see. First you have to name the field, then its data type, its length, default values, collaboration, attributes, it should allow null or not, indexing, automatic increment. Okay, first of all I will name first column as ID, its data type will be int, and attributes will be unsigned. This means that it will contain unsigned values, for example +1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay, if you want to add null to it, you have to tick this, but as I will make it as a primary key, so I don't need to make it a null. Okay, about its indexing, I'm making it primary key, go, and auto increment. I checked this because I want my ID to increment itself automatically. Then come to the next field. I will name it as student underscore name. As it is a string in database, you can represent it as varchar, and you provide it with length, maximum length of characters that you want for it to be assigned. I'll make it 20. Okay, we don't need to make any changes in the rest of the fields for that. Okay, now student name and student registration. Okay, it also should be a varchar because sometimes you have to add some characters in the registration number, and again I'll make its length 20. After registration number comes contact, contact, Okay, I also use varchar for it because you can have special characters, or for example +92 as the country code. So I'll use varchar because it allows you to add special characters like plus, minus, and etc. So I'll make it 15. Again, I don't need to change anything else. Now the last student underscore marks. Okay, it can be int, but as marks can be point decimal, for example 10.5 and etc. So I'll use float for it. I don't have to change the rest of the things, and I'll select save. Okay, now the table has been created. Okay guys, here you can see that the table has been created. You can see all the details, the name of the columns, their data types, and rest of the properties. So this is how you're gonna create a table and a database in PHP My Admin. So if you like the video, it helps you, do subscribe and hit like. Thank you.